Welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet easy, free and fabulous crochet patterns to add to your collection, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet adorable scarf for men, women and children. I will use one of my favorite yarn, Red Heart Super Saver with green color. You can use any suitable yarn, 4mm aluminium crochet hook, measuring tape, scissors, yarn needle, optional marker. Start by making a slip knot. Then chain multiples of 2 as you need for your selected size. In this tutorial I will make 150 centimeters. Measure your chains for your selected size. Then chain 1, skip 3 chains. In the next stitch make 1 double crochet stitch, then yarn over the double crochet just made, insert your hook in the last skipped chain stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch. Now you have the first cross stitch. To make the next cross stitch, skip 1 chain stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch. Yarn over the double crochet stitch just made. In the skipped chain stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat this stitch to finish the first row. After you finish the first row, in the last you will find 1 chain stitch. Make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the first row. To make the next row, chain 2. Turn your work. Yarn over, insert your hook in the first cross stitch space between the 2 double crochet stitches. Make 1 double crochet stitch, yarn over the double crochet stitch just made, insert your hook before first cross stitch space and make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat this by yarn over, insert your hook between the 2 double crochet stitches. In the next cross stitch, yarn over the double crochet just made and make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat this. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next cross stitch space, make 1 double crochet stitch, yarn over, double crochet stitch just made, insert your hook before cross stitch space and make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat this cross stitch to finish this row. After you finish all cross stitches in this row, Make one double crochet stitch in the last chain 2 space. To make the next row, chain 2, turn your work and repeat the second row for your selected size. In this tutorial I will make 12 rows. You can add rows as you like for your selected size. After you finish the last row, chain 1, cut the yarn, pull through, fasten off and weaving ends.